welcome to High Frequency Word Cooking with Chef Sane. Good day to you young second graders. I'm so happy to have you here in my second grade kitchen. Now, today we will be making a lovely fresh summer salad. In order to have our salad clean and beautiful, we will have to put them in our washing spinner. So I have my salad spinner ready to go. We must add our high frequency word vegetables. Are you ready? We have a tomato with the word do. Do. Into the spinner it goes. Oh, let's add some lettuce. Here's a lovely leaf of lettuce with the high frequency word walk. Walk. Into the salad spinner you go. Next, let's add another tomato. Here we are with a high frequency word set. Set. Yummy, yummy tomato. Oh, we do need more green things. It's not a salad without green things. Now, we have the word seven. Seven. Into the salad spinner it goes. Our next high frequency word is sure. Sure. We must add a little bit of said. Said. Oh, let's add a little bit more tomato, shall we? Oh, here's a tomato with the high frequency word line. Line. Now, this is a high frequency word that we must have for flavor. Now, let's look at the word, upon. It was upside down. Let's change it. Upon. Oh, another tomato. Let's use the word he. He. Into the salad spinner it goes. I can smell already it's going to be a good high-frequency word salad. Oh, now we have the word give. Give. We'll add a few more leafy greens. And we'll wash our salad. Yummy, 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 yummy. Now, all washed and dried in our salad spinner. Bon appetit! I'm on. Oh, I'm sorry. Boys and girls, this is Mrs. Saint. I was enjoying the most wonderful high-frequency word salad. Oh, it was so good. The vegetables were so crunchy and clean and fresh. Chef Sane must have used a salad spinner or something to get them clean, but they were perfect. Loved it. All right, today let's move on to our learning target for this week. Identify the vowel consonant super silent E pattern for the long A and long I vowels. Now, let's look at some of these words that I have listed in pink up at the top of our page. We've got the word dime, lane, take, line, inside, wave, dive, and case. What do you notice about these words? Do you notice anything about them? Think. Tell you what, I think that I am noticing, since I know what my learning target is, I'm looking for a long A and a long I in these words, and I'll know that they're a long vowel sound because I'll hear them say their name. Let's look at our first word, dime. Do you hear the long I? I'm. You don't hear an E because it's a super silent E. It gave all of its power to the letter I so it could say its name. Look at the word lane. Do you hear a long vowel sound? A long A or a long I? Lane. A. I hear A say its name. So that super silent E was definitely doing its job. And I'm going to put this long line over top of them to show that it's a long vowel sound. Look at the word take. Do you hear a long A say its name? Take. I sure do. How about the word line? Line. Line. I hear I say its name. Super silent E is doing his job all right. Inside. Inside. Do you hear a long I? Do you hear an I say its name in inside? I sure do. Inside. That super silent E. Definitely doing his superhero job. Wave. Do you hear an A say its name? A. Wave. Sure do. Good job, super silent E. What about dive? Dive. Oh, I hear that long I sound. Dive. He's saying his own name. Super silent E is giving him that power. And our last word is case. Case. I hear A say her name. Super silent E does it again. Good job. Guys, let's look at these two sentences at the bottom. Can you read them with me? Dave will take a 5-mile bike ride. Do you see any words in this sentence that have the vowel consonant super silent E pattern? Dave. Oh, I hear that long A, and it comes from the super silent E. Will. Do you see a super silent E? No. I see a consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant, a double L. That looks like a short I sound. It sounds like a short I sound. What about our next word? Take. Take. Oh, I hear A say her name. And yes, there's a super silent E to give A power to say her own name. A 5. Ooh, we also have a long I sound and a super silent E so that I can say his name. What about mile? Mile. I hear I say his name. Good job, super silent E. What about our next word? Bike. Bike. I hear that I, and there is my vowel consonant super silent E. Good job. Last word in this sentence. Ride. 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 And yes, that letter I is saying its name loud and proud. all due to super silent E giving away his power so that that vowel can say its name and be a long vowel sound. Look at our last sentence. Jane and Jan made Dad a big pancake. I'm going to let you decide which one of those words have a long vowel sound and have a short vowel sound. Are there any words in this sentence that have the vowel consonant super silent E so that you can hear that long vowel sound? I'm going to let you do that by yourself. So you can pause this video and you can talk to Mom or Dad and you can see if you can find all the words with the super silent E, the vowel consonant super silent E pattern. Good luck.